How was it working in this film? I mean, it's one of a kind so far when it comes to special effects.
Yeah, as far as Hindi cinema is concerned, yes, it's. The thing was that we have some nice shots which we have been inspired from. I mean, they're not exactly from foreign films, but Multiplicity. We just saw films and we know that this can be done, and we sort of read material on it. And the only reason we can't do it in India so often and with so much, you know, it's very expensive. And our film budgets and our market is little less than foreign films, so you can't go really overboard with special effects.
It's catching up now, though, with all the foreign locations, and generally it is. The budgets, I mean, it will never be the same, but
yeah,
I mean,
but special effects just used for the purpose of action and all. Like we also use that. The car goes over the three characters and all in the end. So it's very safe when you have, say, girls involved in a shot who don't normally do action, like Farida Ji and Juhi.
Yeah, of course.
So it's convenient in some places like this car shot, or just to show that the guy is very shocked when the eyes pop out, you know, like in The Mask, you know. So for that it's convenient and nice, but the double role, in effect, is very difficult to do. It's really difficult. It requires a lot of patience. Like,
yeah, because usually we're used to what, a split screen, and
yeah, normally they just put a black piece of paper or something, and then it's a Michelle camera, and they rewind it again and play it back. You read the counter. So here we had what is called a matting or compositing technique, and you have to do the scene once, and then you have to do it again, and somehow try and keep it as much interactive, you know. So what we would do is, like, once I've done, say, Bablu, then we would put, which we read in some books, that's how they tried it. Then you put that video here for me to see, so I could react to what the person is saying. So most of the shots are not, like normally when you see a double roll, you're looking here and I'm looking here and you're talking, and it goes a little off-key, but this one isn't, in most of the places.
बेबे तू सिगरेट पी रही है? मैं कौन हूँ? हेलो जी। आप? ना बबलू।
Some places the movement is difficult. We still don't have motion control trolleys in India.
Something to look forward to.
Yes, that would be really nice. So some of the shots which are trolley shots were very difficult, but we did them to music, like instead of count. So like we would tell the trolley guy, like example, take a song like Mere Mehboob Mere Sanam. So every time he would push the trolley in that time, Mere Mehboob Mere Sanam, and it would stop. So you're a guy singing, you're a guy pushing the trolley, you had one guy enacting one line, the playback of the other person. So it was quite an experience.
Any singing yourself? Did you do any singing yourself?
No.